This is Mahmoud Hassan Miras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this problem. In this problem, we can see that this is the front view, and this is the bottom view, and this is the right side view, which is, we can say, this is cut here, but this is cut in here. So it is 90-degree angle. So don't get confused. In here we can see it has an extrude boss of 1 and here it has 2. It means the 2 extrude boss is this part. So we first begin drawing with the bottom view. In the bottom view, first we will draw a line which is 121 minus 1, because 1 is the extrude boss. Then we will draw a length which is 12.5 minus 1, because 1 is the extrude boss length. So let's get started. Okay, first select the top plane and normal to it. As it is a bottom view, again normal this. Okay, now we have got the plane. Now take the line and draw a straight line which is 121 minus 1. Okay, now draw another vertical line which is 12.5 minus 1. As you can see, we have drawn this line. Now can see now it has 1 unit extrude, so we can offset this with this line. Okay, now go to offset entities and select this and give the offset parameter 1. Okay, now cap in line, give OK. Now extrude boss, go to features and select extrude boss. Here we can say it is 22 unit height, so give extrude boss of 22, enter. Okay, now we have got the L-shaped shape. Now we will draw this extra part and then extrude cut this. First we can see that this line is 121 minus 10, 5, 93 and 8. So first draw this line. We'll draw this at front plane. Go to front plane and normal to it. Okay, now take a point. Okay, you take that point and now dimension it. As we know, the total length is 121. Now we'll subtract the length 10, 5, 93 and 8. Now give minus 10, minus 5, minus 93, minus 8. Okay, give OK. You can see it has the 5 unit. Now again go to line. Now we'll draw this line which is 8 unit in horizontal, and the vertical line will draw from 22 minus and all this length. Okay, let's go for it. Now select the line, select the point and draw a line. Now dimension it 8 from horizontal. From vertical, if we want to draw, we will give 22 minus 4.35 minus 10 minus 4.15, which will lead to 3.5. Now we'll draw the 93 horizontal line. Now again select the line and select the point and take a 93 unit line. Okay, now again we have to draw another vertical, another inclined line. In this inclined line, which is 5 unit in horizontal and 4.35 in vertical. Now dimension it 5 unit in horizontal and 4.35 35 into vertical. Okay, now we have drawn the upper shape. Now we will draw the lower shape. In the lower shape, we can see it has 4.15 unit from the height. Now take a point and dimension it 4.15. As we have drawn it 4.15, now we will draw a horizontal line of 4 and an inclined line of which has horizontal parameter 4 and vertical parameter 4.15. Now you can select the line. Select line, that dimension it 8. Okay. Now draw a inclined line which is 4. Okay, we have drawn this line. Now we will draw this line. Before doing this line, first close this and these parameters. As we can see, these are open. Now make them close. To make this close, we will surround this line with another line, so we can get a close boundary in our shape. So to get the close boundary, we will do this. After the closed boundary, we will now try to draw this shape. To draw this shape, we will first draw a horizontal line of 5, then a inclined line which is 1.5 and 1.5 from here to 1.5 and 156 degree. Okay, now take a point and which is 3 unit height, which has 3 unit height. Take the point and give it a 3 unit of height. After giving the 3 unit of height, now draw the 5 unit horizontal line. Now we have drawn the 5 unit horizontal line. Now draw an inclined line. In this inclined line, this is 1.5 meter unit of vertical and 156 degree. 156 degree. Now dimension it 156 degree. Okay. Now we can see this point. This particular point is 9.6 unit apart from this line. Now take a point, place the point and dimension it 9.6 from the end point 9.6. Okay, we can see that there is a arc which is 5.26. We will now draw it. Now first take a 5.26 into 2, a circle. Now coincide the circle with this point. Select the circle and select one of this point and then coincident. Okay, now do this for the another point. Select the point and select the circle and coincident again. Okay, we getting our shape. Now close the boundaries. We are closing the boundaries. Okay, and trim all the unnecessary part. Okay, we've got all the extrude cut part. Now go to features and extrude cut it. And extrude cut from select rule. You can select rule. Okay. Now you can see we are quite close to this, but we can see that we have another part in here, which is 0.5 in radius and which is 1.5. Before doing this, we will draw these two unit line. So we can see this shape is here has little dimension, which is here 1 and the shape here is 2 unit. So first let's take the bottom plane and draw this shape, and this shape is, we can see it is 121 minus 18 minus 9.6. Okay, let's try to draw this. Now take the this plane and sketch and normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle, and as you can see it has 2 units of uh, width and a length of 121 minus 18 point minus 9.6. You can see it led to 93.4 unit, and dimension it from the corner. From the corner we can see it has a distance of 18 unit, so we have given the distance of 18 unit. Then go to features and extrude boss, and extrude boss it to 1 unit. We will extrude is to another side, so change the direction and give OK. After that we have found this shape. Okay, now we'll draw this extrude cut part. You can see it has a radius of 0.5 and 1.5 apart from here. Okay, and 18 from here. Now select this plane, sketch, and select the circle, and it is 0.5 into 2, which is 1 radius. Okay, now dimension it, dimension from bottom, which is 1.5, and from the side it is distance of 18 unit. Okay, now we'll draw on the shapes which are necessary. Now extrude cut the unnecessary part. Okay, now features, extrude cut. We have extrude cut this part. Now we can see we have a fillet of 1.5 and fillet of 0.5. Now give this fillet. Now go to fillet and select 1.5 and select this corner. Okay, you can see there is a fillet in here, and the another part which has a fillet of 0.5. Now select 0.5 and select the other corner, which is this line, and select OK. Now we have done the almost here, but we have the right side. Now we'll draw the right side, which is a circle of 2.5 radius and which is apart from 8.5 and 3. Let's do it. And now select any sketch and select circle, which is 2.5 into 2, which is 8.5 apart from here, and 3. 8.5. Give 8.5, and which is the height of 3. Give 3, and now give it proper shape. Now cut the unnecessary part. Okay, we have another shape here, you can see, which is 2.5 square, which is apart from 3 plus 5.25. Now draw this. Select corner and draw 2.5, then 2.5. Okay, which is 3 plus 5.25 apart. So now go to instrument dimension and select this corner and this side, which is 5.25 plus 3. Okay, which is 8.25. Okay, now go to extrude cut. If you go to features and extrude cut and extrude cut it, we will give the true all. Okay, now we can see that our sketch is quite similar to this. This means we have finished the work, and thank you for watching till the end. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. and keep learning. Be different.